Nice to meet you after a long time.
Sati also there,
Yes,
ne?
yes.
My old friend.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Can you remember me? In first day we met.
Yeah. Yes.
I met Veronica
remember
early batch.
Veronica, I think you are from
Last year, no?
Yeah,
last year.
Yeah,
Which country you are joining?
Italy.
Italy, okay.
yeah, Italy. I met
And
first day.
Australia also. Sajani from Australia, no?
Yeah,
I'm from Sri
I
Lanka.
remember Sajani, you remember?
yeah. Very first day we met.
Yeah.
Sajani,
Yeah.
before coming to Australia, ne?
Yes.
Yeah.
Australia, where about in Sri Lanka?
I can remember Gampa from Gampa.
Yeah.
Gampaha.
I'm Gampaha. Yeah.
What is the difference Gampaha in Australia? Your region? What is the region or any district? What is the Sydney or
I mean Adelaide.
Adelaide? Yes.
And
What is the difference?
No, the same, no, Sajani. Same facilities.
But Gampaha district is good. I think it's good district. But these days bad
Very
situation
cool, no?
in all Sri Lanka. No, but
Yes.
this country is good. I think, but I like my country because this country is very good role.
Yes,
role
thanks God we came earlier. Otherwise, if we are living Sri Lanka, we are going to crazy. No, we are living here peaceful. No?
Yeah.
All politicians were corrupted in our country.
My main is it's different. Our thinking is because of I believe to Australia or any country is better, but most of people say that compared to that country, Sri Lanka is best.
Yeah, I always think Sri Lanka is best, but nowadays,
Sri Lanka is best country in the world.
yeah,
Yeah. But its politics is very bad in country. Very bad.
I have loan. I don't have a loan period. But I visit only a country, Thailand. I stayed 2-3 days. But I haven't more experience that country. It's actually I went there as a visitor. So I haven't more experience. But that 2-3 days we enjoy that country. But do very big problem because with meals.
Yes.
Yes, their KFC is not taste and not match us. So I had to without meals.
They are eating lot of rats and frog and cockroach,
Meat items.
everything.
Meat items.
You must eat vegetarian in Thailand.
No. I mean that country's most of
Favor.
available meals are very only with meals. But I had meats and some extra fish like others. But I met a very critical situation. Like one day I went to KFC, but the KFC favor is not matching Sri Lanka.